Greetings to all of humanity. It's really a joy and a pleasure to be out here in nature and bringing this message of emancipation to you, a message that would set you free. And I always point you to look inwardly to discover your true identity, which is your divinity. Thus, the reason why I want to speak to you concerning Abdullah, Neville Goddard, and synchronicity, and how Abdullah taught Neville Goddard the message of synchronicity, or how to believe in synchronicity and how to use synchronicity to believe that he could create his reality consciously. Because the reason why many people become discouraged and why many people give up when they are seeking to create their reality consciously and they want to change state is because many fail or miss the different synchronicity that is taking place that would add up to bringing to pass their reality. Now, what I call synchronicity is what Neville would refer to as a series of events, or a bridge of events that would take place. Now, no one can come and tell you exactly what are the bridge of events that will take place before you see your manifestation. But when you set your intention, you have to be aware of synchronicity. You have to be aware of the bridge of events. And you have to be so aware that you will come to understand what it means when it says that if you have faith as a mustard seed. Because when you see something that is as minute, which means when you see some little indication, that you have to be so aware and so much aligned and so awakened to the process that you will glimpse it right away and say, yes, this is the first molecule or the first sign or the first atom that's gonna bring me to my full creation, my full manifestation, because I am the creator. Because God is my own human imagination, the creator in man. So my brother, my sisters, as Abdullah was teaching Neville Goddard that he was going to travel to Barbados first class, he was teaching him also how to trust the process and how to understand synchronicity and how to understand the bridge of events, are the series of events, which is still the synchronicities. So we have to be so careful and so mindful that we don't miss these synchronicities and end up and taking a spiritual abortion by going against the thing that we are actually believing for, by allowing self-doubt to creep in. So my brother and my sisters, this message I'm bringing to you is one of encouragement. To encourage you that whenever you set your intention or you have a desire to accomplish something and believing in your imagination, believing in yourself, believing in the message of self-realization, believing in the message that was taught to Neville Goddard by Abdullah. When you believe in the law and you believe in the promise, and you truly believe in this message, then you have to trust the process. You have to trust the series of events. And you can't try to figure out what the series of events would be, but you will get a glimpse. I can tell you of things that are happening in my life right now and things that I've seen, that if I wasn't so aware, I would have missed them. And I can sit back and relax, because I know those things that I so desire, that they are already finished. And I can see things that are happening to affirm my strength, my faith, my belief in the invisible. So my brothers and my sisters, be a bit more mindful. Be a little bit more watchful of these synchronicities or the series of events, and learn to be patient, exercise patience. Do not look in the mirror and see your reflection and go away forgetting what man of man you are. That's the reason why you are told to not just be a hearer, deceiving yourself, but to be a doer also. So my brothers and my sisters, know what you want. See it in your mind's eye. Go to bed more consciously. Believe in yourself. And believe also in your synchronicities. That's the reason why, as I would have said before, if you would only have faith as a mustard seed, all things will be possible to you. So my brothers and my sisters, do not despise the day of small things or the day of small beginnings. So believe and look for the little synchronicities. So with that being said, my brother and my sister, I believe I got my message across here, because all I'm just saying to you is to trust the process. And when you trust the process, even the smallest of thing would indicate to you and would put you at peace and put you at rest, and you can just relax, right? And everything will come and fit itself into place for you. Okay? And you can live the life that you so desire to live. Okay? I'm encouraging you to like or to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. And remember, if this message is beneficial to you, to share it with as much people as possible that you can. And always remember that this message that I bring to you, it is the single eye message of self-realization, of which Matthew 6:22 tells you that if your eye be single, your whole body will be full of light. And when you have the experience, you bust your crown chakra. That's the reason why I always put my hand on my crown chakra and say to you that when you have the experience, you will come to realize that it is the rising of the S-U-N in a S-O-N, and that it is the dawning of a new day in your life, and that the sun parallels the human imagination, and the human imagination parallels the sun. For without the sun, there is no life, and there is no light. And without the human imagination, there isn't anything made that was made. And the sun is what powers all of humanity. Therefore, my brothers and my sisters, my encouragement to you is to use your solar power, which is your mind power, to achieve your every desire. So with that being said, I want to say peace, love you all. I'm out.